read where God told Joshua in the book of Joshua 1, said, Joshua, be strong and very courageous. I read where David told Solomon, his son, Solomon, be courageous. I also read where Azariah, the prophet, told King Asa, be courageous. Take courage. It's not easy to walk with God. You have to be courageous. It's not an easy road. We are traveling to heaven, for many are the thorns on the way. Oh, it's not an easy road, but the Savior is with us. His presence gives us joy every day. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road, but Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every load. It's not an easy road. There are trials and troubles, and many other dangers we meet. But Jesus guides and keeps so that nothing can harm us, and smooth the rugged path for our feet. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road, but Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every load. Though I am often footsore and weary from travel, though I am often bowed down with care, but a better day is coming when home in the glory will rest in perfect peace over there. Oh no, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road, but Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every load. Take courage, my brother, my sister. Take courage, take courage. Be strong and very courageous. There are going to be thorns on the way. There are going to be giants in your way. People are going to turn their backs on you. But you got to take courage. Take a stand with God. God looked down and said, who will stand with me? He's asking, who will stand with me? Take a stand, my beloved. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road, but Jesus walks beside me. He's gonna brighten our journey. He's gonna lighten every